Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. It is going to be a good one today. It's going to be some honey jerk salmon and some veggies, and here are the ingredients that we will be using. So I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, 1 tablespoon onion granules, and I added about half teaspoon of salt, or add salt to taste, right? And now we're gonna season the salmon. Look at those pieces looking so good, looking all fresh from the ocean, right? So yes, so first I'm going in with my dry jerk seasoning, going in with my dry rub. So for this recipe I'm using both wet and dry rub. So here is my wet jerk seasoning, and this is about 2 tablespoons, and I will link my video of my homemade jerk seasoning down below in the description box. And of course, Vibes fam, as usual, you want to add this jerk seasoning everywhere, so please get it on the sides, right? Same, both wet and dry, you want to put it all over there. Next we are gonna flip it over, of course, and get it on the next side. So bloop, flip. Yes, so let's rub it on there, and what? Yes, done, just like that. So quick, right? Yeah, I wish. Okay, so this is the last piece, so go in with the dry, and then of course we are gonna do what? Say it with me. Slap on the wet. Come in, come in, come on. Yes, get that wet one all over it. By the way, Vibes fam, you want to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees what? Fahrenheit. Okay, here it is, all done. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt on my carrot. I'm using carrot and broccoli. So you just use whatever vegetable you want to use, right? So now add a little bit of salt on the, broccolini. It's not broccolini, it's broccoli. So I'm adding some, what do you call it? The spray, right? The oil spray. So if you want to just use your regular oil, just pour a little in the thing and shush it around. And now I'm adding my salmon. Yes, I'm putting the salmon pieces in the middle. I should have spaced it out, but don't worry, I'm gonna take care of it. Yes, push it over, push it over, push it over to the left, push it over to the left, push it over to the right. Do what you need to do, right? So when that's done, now we are going in to add them veggies. Oh yes, put the broccoli to the top. Get the broccoli all up the top right there. Load it up, load it up. Yes, yes, yes. Come in one, come in all. And load up on yourself. Yes. Okay, and next we're going in with the what? The carrot. And the color is looking so beautiful. So beautiful. So if you want to use mushroom, you want to use asparagus, whatever you want to put in this thing, put it in there. Don't worry about it, right? Cook what you like. Use what you like. So of course, here it is looking beautiful, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of the cooking oil spray on the veggies, right? Just to make sure, you know, that they just stay nice and just juicy-licious. Let's put it in the oven, and we're gonna do 7 minutes. So while that is baking for 7 minutes first, here I'm showing you my little Scotch bonnet sauce. Vibes fam, this is so, and it's very spicy, it's very hot, but it's so good. Here I have half cup of honey, and I'm just gonna add a bit of the sauce because it's very spicy. I'm not doing too much, right? Just giving a little vava voom, vava vam. So give it a stir, 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 mix, 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 right? And then we're gonna set that aside. Now let's go check on this salmon. So it's been 7 minutes. Don't let it stay longer than 8. And here it is. Take it out, put it down, bam. And now we are going to do what? Look at the steam. Look at the steam. Yes, Vibes fam. Now we're going to pour that honey jerk mixture. Ooh, 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 ooh. By the way, if you don't want to add the jerk seasoning, the jerk sauce to the honey, you don't have to. You can baste it with the honey only. That is fine too, because remember, you season it with the jerk seasoning. So it's still jerk honey salmon, right? Or honey jerk salmon, right? Even if you just use the honey by itself to baste it. But this is very important. Ooh, Vibes fam, you want to baste it up? Baste it up. B is for base. Baste. Yes, baste it up. And So you want to do it to all the pieces. Smother it with it. right? And if you're feeling all excited, you can, guess what? You can just baste the carrots as well. Oh, that's gonna taste so good. I'm telling you, I promise you, you rub that on the listen. I'm not even gonna say too much because I'm feeling a spirit. Oh, yes, Father. So baste that up, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 7 minutes, right? Tops 8. Don't do more than 8. But if you're the type that you like your salmon on the raw side, then just do 6 like 6 minutes first, then another 6, or 5 right? but yeah, vibes Sam, now let's put it back in the oven for 7 luscious minutes, and look at it, and bam, this is it. After what? 7 minutes. Yes, vibes Sam, take your time and slide it out and put it on that counter, and let's look at it. Ooh, let's look at it. Let's look at it. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this amazing, delicious tray of honey jerk salmon. Yes, yes, clap everybody. Yes. Ooh, look at the carrots. Look at the no, look at the salmon. Look at the salmon, vibes Sam. Ooh, so good. And look at the broccoli. The broccoli tastes so good with that little char on it there. Oh, chef kiss. Chef kiss. So yeah, vibes Sam, so good, so delicious. Like, I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe. By the way, the honey and jerk sauce mix, you can leave some of that by the wayside, right, to add to your food afterwards. By the way, tell me, what would you have this with? Rice, or just only the vegetable and the and the salmon, because that's good too. I had it, of course, with some rice. I love rice. But yeah, vibes Sam, just comment down below and tell me, what would you have this with, and would you try it? And look at it, vibes Sam, look at it, just so nice, and just and remember, this is the tip part of the salmon, right? Like down at the end right there. Normally that part is just can be so crispy or so dry or whatever, but look at it. Can you imagine the middle part? I should have broken it in the middle part to show you. It's so juicy, so good. So yeah, based on how you like your salmon, as I said, 7 minutes tops. Well, 8 minutes tops, right? But this is another piece. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I feel a spirit. Look at that. Oh, give me peace. Give me peace. Give me peace. But vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching. Give it to me. Oh yeah, it's so good. You want to taste it. Thank you for watching and for hanging out with me as usual. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go over Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Thank you again. God bless you.